This is a video on vegetarian rice porridge. Please check out the video on how to cook rice porridge with rotisserie chicken. I decided to do one video in which no chicken is required. Watch till the end to check out two side dishes that would go perfectly with this vegetarian rice porridge. These two side dishes will increase the health benefits and the feeling of fullness. My name is Sue, and please check out more healthy recipes that I have uploaded to help you cook easy meals for yourself and your lovely families. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the videos. Comment below to let me know what recipes can be helpful for you. Thanks so much.
Start with measuring 1 cup of rice. I'm using jasmine rice for this recipe. You can definitely substitute with brown rice as well. Firstly, rinse the rice quickly. Usually I do a quick rinse and will rinse 3 times. Rinse and pour away the water in a container to keep this water for the plants. Do it the second time and do it a third time. The rice is ready. I'm using 8 to 10 cups of water for the porridge. I will always start with pouring 5 cups of water and add more when it's boiling. This is so it can be faster and it can boil faster. Add in fresh sliced ginger or julienne ginger in the rice porridge. Ginger has so many health benefits, and this is one way of adding these herbs in this recipe. This is comfort food that is gut friendly and helps to reduce gassiness and bloating in the stomach. It's also very easy to digest and very comforting to the gut. If fresh ginger is not available, please go ahead and use powdered ginger. I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoons for this recipe. I would strongly recommend to add ginger, whether sliced, grated, julienne, or tea powdered, into this traditional recipe. If you are using a pot or clay pot on a stovetop, use medium to medium-high heat. Constantly stirring is important to reduce the rice sticking into the bottom of the pot and getting burnt. Stir and continuously scrub the bottom of the pot. After 10 to 15 minutes, you will notice the rice getting fluffed out. You will see more rice coming to the surface, and you will see that the water is less because the rice has absorbed the water and now it's fluffed up. At this point, add 3 extra cups of water or broth to this mixture. chop carrots first, as carrots takes longer to cook. For the frozen peas, I will microwave for a minute into the microwave oven to defrost the peas. Open 1 can of corn kernels and add a cup of frozen peas and 1 can of corn if you like. There are 3 ingredients that I use and I've added into the rice. In my pot, you can see the ingredients are overflowing. 1 cup of rice can become a lot, especially with all the ingredients that are added into the pot. So use a bigger pot for this recipe. I'm removing some of the ingredients into a little bowl so that I can continue with this cooking and finish up this recipe. So when you're stirring, make sure the rice has become soft, fluffy, and at the last 5 minutes, add in the peas and the corn. Now take out a pan at this time and saute the sliced mushroom. Oil and salt the mushroom until they're fragrant. Add oil with olive oil, stir the mushrooms until it's brown and soft, and add a little soy sauce or salt. This will make it really fragrant, and this will be used as a topping to make sure there are more to give that fullness when you eat this recipe. Then cut firm tofu. Remember to buy extra firm or firm tofu for this, or bean curd. Cut it into cubes, saute with oil, stir lightly, make sure it doesn't mash up the bean curd, and it becomes fried and slightly brown. It's also a little bit hard so that you can chew and have something hard as well. That adds, a little soft and a little hard. That adds texture to the ingredient. This will be used as toppings under the rice porridge. When the rice porridge is cooked, now it's time to serve it, and you can see this colorful peas, green, red, and then yellow, and all these ingredients will make it very flavorful, and also sweetness is added to this dish. You can add a little salt or soy sauce or sesame oil. A dash of sesame oil will make this even more flavorful. The mushrooms and also the bean curd can be used on the top, and you can enjoy this with your family. Let me know in the comments below if you like this recipe. It is very simple, but it's very hearty, and it can be used for lunch or maybe during the summer holiday. Cook a big pot and everyone will enjoy this. Let me know where you're tuning in from, and please like and share this recipe so that others can find this simple way of cooking porridge. Please don't forget to subscribe to Meals with Sue for more recipe. Cook well and stay healthy, everyone. you for watching. See you in the next video. Signing off now. Bye.